Alright, for those who are interested, I wanted to give a quick overview of how my shop is coming. This has kind of been my main project for the last couple months. I haven't done a lot of tractor work other than what I needed to do here. Been doing a majority of the framing and so forth myself with some help from some friends. So this is kind of where we're at right now. So this is going to be the main garage. It's about 2,000 square foot. We got a little side garage, which is another 5,000, and then a double story area here. That's going to be with a kitchen, break room, and bathroom. All the framing is 2x6 with the exception of the two back walls over here, which I went with 2x8. Reason for doing that was so that when we fur this out with drywall and so forth, we'll be able to have that trim go all the way down to the floor. I decided to do curbing with the monolithic stem wall so that when I put in my drywall and plywood in front of that and trim, that it comes out flush. So if I am running equipment or anything like that, that it's not going to hit the bottom of the wall, or if we have any water leakage or anything like that, it's not going to be able to get underneath the walls on the perimeter. So I went ahead and did all that. So far it's been coming out pretty good. Everything's coming out nice and straight. Got the floor trusses and the upper floor all done. We still have one set of walls that I haven't put up yet. They're framed, but we're just waiting for putting some of the trusses up before we do that, so we can load up the decking material and get that up there. And then once we get that up there, then we'll stand up those walls, which is the last of that upper floor. You can see we got the windows all framed in. And something else I did, which was kind of neat, and I took this from another YouTube channel, is doing some more advanced framing. So instead of adding another stud to carry the load of the header, I went ahead and used Simpson header brackets, which saved an extra stud, makes it a little bit better for insulation. Something else I did when I designed this was I made it so that the windows are 30-inch openings. That way my stud spacing is not affected by the windows themselves, and just keeps everything even and a little easier to sheathe and do the math and calculations for. All the windows in the garages are going to be just stationary. They're not going to be active. The ones in the upper area and down here are going to be able to open up so we can get some cross breeze and so forth in here. So when it's not 120 out and it's that nice little transition time, we'll be able to keep everything nice and cool. So if you guys have any questions or anything that you see that I'm not doing quite right, I'm not a full-time framer, so I'm always up for hearing things like that. You can see that I've got some of the fire blocking missing and so forth. I just haven't gone through and gotten it all in yet. So I would love to hear from you, and if you have any questions or any other videos you want me to do, feel free to reach out. Let me know. Thank you.